2007 Jeep Commander, and we're gonna cure the problem with the leaky moonroof. Absolutely cure it. We have it. It's a fantastic truck. My wife loves it. I love it. It gets around great in the snow. I use it for a little bit of towing. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now where it leaks. As you can see, on the spot here, the water comes out from there. Now, let's look down below, and you can see all the stains from the water. I have since fixed it, but I'm going to kind of show you what's going on and how you can definitely fix it. Let me turn this car on, and let me open the sunroof. Okay, this is where the problems are. The problem is on the top of the sunroof. Now, a lot of guys are telling you to go down below here and take this all apart. Not necessary. All right? All you got to do is, if you look, let me get up on top here. You look up in this corner right here. There's like a big reservoir. Okay? Now, that gets filled up with water. Okay, and leaks down the side. So what you got to do is pour some Drano and a little bit of water and let it sit. Now, here are the two items I used. I used liquid Drano and a squirt bottle. And what I did is I filled up the reservoir for about 3 inches with water. And then I poured in the Drano. So I'm going to try it again, and let's see if it's maybe clogged on this side. Let me get everything up here, and let's see what happens. This is made on a cell phone, so let's see how it goes. But I know there's thousands and thousands of Commanders out there with this problem. All right, let me get back up here. Let me see if it's still... As you can see, water is coming out of here. And that's how you know that it's done. And that's the easy fix. Drano and water.